I think there's a point in every kid's life, you're searching for who you are and where do you fit. Playing sports to a point gives you that opportunity to find yourself. It gives you a purpose. It drives you.
Miller offers an activity, a sport for really everyone, and I think we have some of the best coaches around. We have former pros, we have college players, we have people that excelled in high school coaching their sport. At Miller, we always talk about educating the entire student, and that means working hard in the classroom. It means working hard on the sports field. It means you have to be a well-rounded student. That's what we're looking for.
Whether or not students are in a traditional sport or a non-traditional sport, they're still learning a lot of the same life skills. Being independent, working together, teamwork, perseverance, just being able to meet the challenge every day is huge.
You need to be mentally sharp when you show up for a competition. You need to be physically prepared and ready, and you've got to come with your passion. Every day that you're pushing yourself and you're with a group of guys and you're working hard together, I think brings out the best in you.
What you find in athletics and sports is your character. Having that little bit of grit about yourself, knowing that when things aren't going well, am I going to work? You hold yourself accountable for all your actions. What you do in school, what you do outside of school, how you prepare, everything that you need to do to be successful.
Anytime you see the kids and they're working their hardest, learning from their mistakes and from past experiences, then I think you've been a successful coach.
I look at our success as a program not as wins and losses, but the most important thing as a coach is to have that kid going on to become a better person, a better citizen, and somebody that's going to help others. I want them to be able to go to school and to be doctors and lawyers, or if they want to be school teachers or baseball coaches, they have that opportunity. I think it all comes back to pride in who they are. Having pride when they walk out knowing that they have accomplished great things.